Hi guys, uh, welcome to Jboss EAP 7. So my name is Veera. So today we are going to look into this data source configurations, like to connect database connectivity, where to configure, how to configure. Okay, so let's see this. Okay, so I have a Jboss EAP, Jboss EAP standalone configurations, and today I'm going with just with default configuration, just standalone XML. And if you see this, uh, uh, so we have a section data source subsystems data source. Under this we have already example data source also given by default. No, this is H2 database. Okay, when you run this application, just let me start the normal way. Maybe just pen sh. Okay, so when you start it, so this database it will going to recognize this Jboss. Okay, so just we start it. Okay, and we see this Jboss data sources. This is H2 database. Let me see top. Yeah, see this is started driver data source H2. And okay, so now we are going to see this H2 driver, and this is some version. So we are going to add one more data source. So currently I have installed with some postgresql in my local. Let me see this postgresql. Okay, sorry. Exactly, yeah. I have a database, no username and password, as well as Postgres and Postgres, some small test DB. So we are going to configure now the Postgres database. Okay, so I started server. Let me change the configurations. Just see this example. So under data sources, we have a data source tag. So just I'm going to modify this. Just going to add a new data source. Okay, so this is the data source section. So let's finish this. So we're going to add. So here it is. Just source. Okay, in the section. Okay, let me just copy paste it quickly. So data source, okay, including a data source. Okay, so I have a data source. You can give any data source the name here, data source. Okay, then pool name, all stuff, and I installed in my local, and this is default port, and I have our test DB over here. Okay, database test one. Okay, test one, and minimum maximum, and username and password is the Postgres. Okay, along with this, okay, so I need to add the drivers along with this. Okay, so let's see what drivers exactly. Drivers. Okay, so just I added drivers. So okay, so when you start this, okay, this is the first step. Okay, we need to do it configuration changes level. Okay, so this drivers, so this is actually Jboss modules levels. Also we need to add a Postgres related jar, otherwise it will throw an error. Okay, let's see this here. Okay, I just changed the configurations, and let me just restart again. Okay, so it will throw an error. So it will look for the jar file of the when you're trying to connect any database. Okay, you need to give the jar file of the particular database related jar file, so it will throw an error. So it will look for the missing drivers, driver jar file modules in the Jboss level. So we need to add this modules. Okay, let me quickly add how to add it. Okay, so by default Jboss modules will under Jboss modules. Okay, this is the path where system layers. Okay, here base again. Okay, here, there you go. So here just go to scom. Okay, here if you see the list of the folders, the H2 database. So here we are going to add. So I already had. Just let me add again. Postgres PostgreSQL. Okay, mkdir. Just I'm created one folder under this. So this is the where default path. Okay, under modules we need to go here. Okay, under this either you need to go with the com, or so you can go with any folder. Okay, virgin or something. Just I choose the com. Okay, com. Okay, I added a PostgreSQL just empty. Okay, let me follow copy paste quickly what exactly other h2 database contains. So h2, so this is the copy main. I will copy this folder main, so because this is actually the structure, so we need to copy this main into our postgresql. Yes, okay, postgresql main. Okay, so this is right now, this is we copied h2, this is not required h2. We remove this jar file, and if we open this module, okay, so we need to modify this com modules, and so this is our name is com. Okay, yes, so this is the path. Okay, this is where exactly the location. So if you see this pw, so under this is actually this is the base under modules. So we need to add com postgresql. So this is what we added, com and postgresql. Okay, then there's properties, not required, and resource. Here we need to add our jar file. Okay, let me quickly add a jar file into here. So this is the path. I downloaded one postgresql. This is the postgresql jar file, so I'm going to add into this path. Okay, so this is the jar file. Just let me, you need to refer this from the modules. So I need to add here exactly a jar file. Okay, so here we need to replace this. Okay, it's done it. Okay, I hope this is not required. Let's see. Okay, just added under this path. Okay, so now this, and let me start Jboss quickly. Let's see. Very good. So now it's successfully added a data source into the Jboss. Now if you see the log, okay, just you can see here, see this h2, and this is our postgresql 9.3 jar version what I added. This is the postgres, so it's successfully added. It means, okay, see this is, currently we have two databases. What is internal h2 and postgresql database. So this Jboss is successfully connected to Jboss database. So okay, that's it. Thanks for watching. Thank you.